Hi Lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, mom, content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe. Born in Nigeria, my content is all things fashion, beauty, travel, and entrepreneurship, and of course, luxury. We love Black girl luxury over here on this corner of the internet. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, think about hitting that subscribe button. And if you're already a part of my community, make sure you hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. But today, first of all, this orange is giving skin. The orange against my skin with the pink, it's giving. But we have a luxury unboxing, a couple of things I got while I was in California. I think last month, my sister-in-law turned 40, so we rented an Airbnb. I did not vlog it, but I do have a California vlog that I'm going to put down below. I didn't vlog this one. I wanted to be in the moment for her birthday. Plus, there were other people, and I wanted to be cognizant of that and not just go around throwing a recorder in random people's faces. But I did go to the Desert Hills luxury outlet. If you want to see me at that outlet, go watch the video down below. But I did not vlog it again. But of course, I did shop and I did buy some things while I was there. So let's get into some of the items that I bought. One of the things that people say all the time is, you talk too much, just get to the goodies. So let's get to the first goodie. I'm going to go in order of what is on top. So the first place, I didn't actually get this at the outlet. This is from Louis. Louis Vuitton is not at that outlet. They have Gucci, they have Prada, they have Fendi, they have Bottega. No, they don't have Dior. The only ones they don't have, of course, is Dior, Hermes, and Chanel, but pretty much everything else is at that outlet. I did, however, go by Louis Vuitton and I picked up some items. So let's get into the first item that I got. As you can tell, I've already opened it and I actually wore it while I was in California. But we're going to go ahead and unbox it and take a look at it and just look at it. So the first item that I got were a pair of sunnies from Louis Vuitton. One of my loves right now has to be sunglasses. I am absolutely obsessed with sunglasses. So these are them. We're going to bring it a little bit closer. I love the gold right here. There's actually a pair of Chanel sunglasses that look a lot like this. But look at that. They have the LV symbol in gold on both sides. And then it is an oversized pair of sunglasses. It has Louis Vuitton, of course, on the arm of the sunglasses as well. Like I said, I've already worn these sunnies, gold hardware all around, and they sit amazing on my face. Like these are just, I'm about to step onto a yacht. I'm going to need the bellhop to grab my bags and bring it onto the yacht. I'm going to need my kids and their nanny to not speak to me while I'm on the yacht. Like these are these sunglasses right here. They're so gorgeous. They fit so amazing on my face. Another thing that I always say when you buy sunglasses is make sure it sits on your nose really well. You want to make sure you're looking for an Eastern, not a Western cut. When you have a nose, a black nose, an African nose, you want something that's not going to pinch your nose down, and you want something that's not going to sit on your cheeks. These are absolute perfections. Louis Vuitton sunglasses are some of my favorite. They sit amazing on your face. It's heavy. It's acetate, so it's a heavy material, material. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. Even with my hair pulled back in this low braid ponytail, it's given exactly what it's supposed to give. It gave. So I am obsessed with these sunglasses. There we go. There goes the lighting. I'm obsessed with the sunglasses. I think they're so beautiful. I feel like if you are looking for a great pair of sunglasses, it's going to make a statement. These Louis Vuitton ones are it. Let's look at the next item that I got. I am not a big fan of SLGs. And one of my friends said, hey, you need to go get an SLG, which is a small leather good. I just I was like paying $200 for scraps of leather that they make into a wallet. What's that about? But they told me I needed one, and I went and got my first SLG while I was there, and it is a card holder. So you put your debit and your credit cards inside of. Again, it is canvas. They do have this SLG in the Ambrite leather, I think, but I ended up going with the canvas leather because I love logos. I'm a logo mania girl. It's the beautiful canvas, a darker canvas, and then almost like a lighter brown, purplish at the top. It holds 1, 2, 3 cards. So your debit card, your ID, and your insurance card can fit perfectly into this. So if you're looking for something, a gift for somebody that's under $500, I think this retails for like 2 something, maybe 1, maybe 2. I'm not sure. I think I have the receipt in here. So hold on. Let's just look at the receipt. Nope, that's not it. So the sunglasses were $6.90, which is not that bad. I want to make sure that you guys have the prices for these. And then the SLG, let's look at the SLG. It's not that expensive. I don't have it. It's somewhere down there. We're not going to worry about it. Another item that I picked up, and again, like I said, I am currently obsessed with sunglasses. Those are not those ones. I did not pick those up in Cali. But these ones right here. And I'm going to put a picture to the side of me styling these sunglasses with an Amazon dress. Yes, an Amazon dress. Like Fashion Week. I feel like every pair of sunglasses gives off a different feel. This is literally either London or Paris or New York Fashion Week. It's given straight like, look at me. I want to be seen. I'm going to be different. I love it. It's a mini pair of sunnies. Usually I don't like mini sunglasses because my face is so round and big. But these just spoke to me. They looked gorgeous. I didn't have anything like it. And I thought it was so unique. So I picked these up at the outlet. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer. It kind of looks like, what is that animal? There's an animal, a ladybug, a ladybird, ladybug. I think it's a ladybug. It looks like a ladybug. And it's so cute. And it's like literally perfect for Fashion Week. I couldn't think of anywhere else I would wear this to but to Fashion Week. So in September, you're going to see these on the streets of New York. So absolutely love it. I got another pair of Fendi sunglasses, but I got those from Nordstrom Rack, but not from Cali. And we want to stick with the California items because I do have a lot of items that I'm trying to get through. Not a lot, but enough that I'm trying to get through. The next item that I got while I was in Cali are these Valentino sneakers. I wanted a pair of tennis shoes or trainers for a while. I am not a big tennis shoe girl, but I knew if I was going to get one, I wanted one that was cute, but not too cute. Because, you know, if it's too cute, then you don't want to wear it. And it's like, why did you buy it? But if it looks functional, and it looks cute with my outfits, and it looks like I would wear them all the time, I'm going to get it. So I actually wanted another pair, but they were sold out. But they had this pair, and the guy at the counter was like, this looks like you. It's so fun. It's so vibrant. It's gold. You could wear so much with it. And he was right. I haven't worn them yet because, again, I don't wear tennis shoes a lot, but I'm waiting for the opportunity to be able to, like, bust these out. They're rose gold and they're black. I got a size 7 in it. You have Valentino right here at the back in black, as well as a little VLTN on the side. I don't know. There we go. You can see a little bit better right now. I got it in a size 37 or 7, which is my regular size. So they do fit true to size. They came with this pair of laces and then I think a spare set of laces that are, it's the same pair of laces. I thought maybe they gave me a different color, but they didn't. They're comfortable, they're breathable, they walk well. I have tried them on. I've actually shot content in it, so they do fit amazing and they feel amazing. It has a lot of cushion. So, I mean, if you wanted to walk in them for a long or extended period of time, you actually could. I'm going to bring this. There we go. There we go. There goes the lighting. Look at all the ridges and grooves. And it has padding on the inside as well. If you pull it out, you will actually see Valentino on the inside of it as well. It's a really great pair of trainers. So if you're looking for a pair of designer tennis shoes that aren't too expensive, that aren't too fussy, that you'll actually wear, these are them. They look great with a lot of things. And because they're rose gold, you can pair them with a lot of different things. You can put it with a dress. You can put it with tennis shoes. You can put it with a dress. You could put it with jeans or a skirt. Like, they pair well with a lot of different things. Let's get into the next item, and it is Bottega Veneta. One of my favorite brands, period, is Bottega. I love that they're minimalist, but then I also love that their bags are so fun. They're edgy. I can't even say enough about Bottega. So they had a Bottega outlet there, and I ended up buying this bag right here, and it is one of their dumpling bags. So it has that dumpling shape, but it is it has like a little triangle in the front. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see the color really well because it's white, but it's not. Hold on, let's get this color together. There we go. Get it a little bit darker. It is white, but it's not white. It's not like shiny white. This is a little too dark. You can't see the color that well, but it is a beautiful like white with a little bit of shimmer to the leather. It is leather. It's a soft, supple leather. I'm thinking this is calf skin, but I have to look it up. I will put it down at the bottom. The name and the leather, it is not lambskin, but it's almost like that Napa leather. So there we go. There goes the lighting. If you have the Coach Pillow Tabby, which is that soft, supple Napa leather, this is what this feels like. It feels like Napa leather, but I don't know. Again, I'll put at the bottom the name and the type of leather that it is. It's in the beautiful white. I'm going to put a video to the side of me looking at the different colors because they had it in blue. They had it in this gorgeous orange. They had it in black. But I did not have a white handbag, and I felt like this was going to be a perfect little white clutch to kind of hold underneath my arm when I go to different events. It's not fussy. That's one thing that I love about Bottega. Bottega doesn't take itself too seriously. So the bags are not going to be overly structured or overly fussy. Even like the hobo bags are not overly structured. I am a structured bag type of girl, but this one was absolutely just gorgeous. And for me, the leather feels amazing. I will have to baby it a little bit because it is white. But overall, it's a bag that I can just grab with a pair of jeans, with a dress, or even if I'm going out to a fancy event. It's white, it's cute, it's a clutch, it goes underneath my arms, and it's absolutely perfect. It opens up, so it closes into this V at the bottom with a magnetic clasp, and then it opens right back up. And one thing I will give you is that the opening is small. So granted, it's a small opening. So don't think you're going to be sticking like a whole iPad in here or anything. Once you get the items in here, it does have a lot of space, but the opening again is not that, it's not that big. It's not that big. There are no, there's nowhere for you to put attachments, so you can't make it into a crossbody. It is strictly a dumpling under the arm clutch. Again, small opening, but once you get the items in there, you do have all this space underneath. So let me know what you think about this bag. I know it's probably not a bag that's going to be for everybody, but for the girl that wants a little bit of edge, that's a little edgy in their fashion, that wants a bag that's not fussy, this is it. If I can find the bag, I will link it down below. And then let's get into the last thing that I bought at the outlet, which is Gucci. It's Gucci, y'all. And I have been seeing these Gucci clogs all over the place, and I never liked them. I always thought they did not look good. I thought they looked like bricks on your feet. And then I went into the store and I saw these and I was like, say less, say less, say less. And I got them. They are clogs. They do look like bricks, but the color combo, amazing. The leather, Around the straps, gorgeous. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer. So I did see the regular brown clogs without the leather, but when I saw this with a little bit of the leather, the blue with the red, with the lavender, I mean, that's really turquoise, that's not blue. I was like, this is so beautiful, like absolutely gorgeous. I have a wide foot, and it's actually not that bad for my wide feet. I've bought shoes that I can't wear because my feet are wide. These are actually perfect. So if you have wide feet, it's pretty true to size, or size up if your feet are a little bit wide and a little chunky, size up so that you can, get a little bit of space right here. It is heavy. Now, let me tell you, you're going to get your exercise wearing these shoes, because you're going to have to pick your feet up. Like, you are going to have to pick your feet up. But I need the exercise. So these are going to help me walk a little bit stronger, walk a little bit better, and they're going to get my calf muscles even bigger than they already are. So I highly would recommend these. If you don't really like the brown colorway of the clogs, go for the more colorful version. I feel like these are going to be something that I'm going to wear pretty much all summer. I'm going to London, so I can't wait to bust them out on the streets of London and Paris. Again, get a size up if you have a little bit of a wider, fatter foot. But if you don't, get the size that you are. I ended up getting a size 36, which is a size smaller than the size that I am, because I'm a 37, but it worked out perfectly. That's it for our California haul. I hope that you enjoyed the pieces that I ended up getting at the Desert Hills outlet. I love every single one of these pieces. They're all in rotation in my wardrobe, and I hope that you saw one thing you were like, let me go find it. If you have questions about anything about California, what I did, where I ate, please comment below and let me know. And then also let me know what your favorite find was in this haul. If you have any questions, or if you want to see a particular video, comment below and let me know. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can become a part of our family. I'll see you later. Bye.